Think I'm gonna crash today? Hope not. Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, Johnny on the spot. Johnny, what do we got here, man? We got the Engwe M20. Yep. Not a bad looking beast here. She's got 2 batteries. Looks like she's got some range. Looked it up on the website. What's it say? It
says 47 miles per battery.
Not bad. So you're saying this thing can do about 100 miles?
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to ride any e-bike for 100 miles, but knowing that if I wanted to, I could. Well, today we're going to ride this thing and test it and give our pros and cons, man. But I can tell you right now, she is a beaut. Dual suspension. It looks like we got mechanical brakes, but there is an option to upgrade. That's pretty cool. And it's only like 60 bucks for the upgrade. It's all on their website. Link in the description of the video for all of it. She's a good looking bike, man. She comes in green and tan, or black or white. I think the white also has that tan seat. It's kind of a classic look, man. I like it. We got the dual headlights, and I'm assuming top speed's about 28 miles an hour. You left the front fender off, my man. All right, Johnny, what are we going to do? I know you kind of have a route in mind.
Yeah. This is a trail I used to do like on the mountain bike, so.
How many miles would you say this is?
It's probably about 20 miles.
20 miles. Round trip, or 20 miles there, 20 miles back?
Round trip.
And then we started at Center Bar and Grill.
Yeah.
We're going to finish at Center Bar and Grill. Celebrate with a cocktail.
Yeah.
Oh, dang. Engwe. Engwe Malstein. Woo-hoo-hoo. Round and round we go. This is ridiculous holding this.
Yeah.
Gotta do it for the gram. All right, where do we go? Whoa. I almost hit the sun. Dude, this thing is a wheelie machine. I could tell, man. A little bit more power, some technique. I'm sure there's people that wheel them, but I think you have to disable the... Yeah, if you hit the brake, cuts the throttle off. It's a safety feature. I get it. Let's get a car wash. We're all clean. I know how to get to the trail. It's right here, Johnny.
You could also go across over there, across the bridge and go in, but...
Whatever you want to do.
I think this goes in there too.
I just don't want no snakes.
I can't guarantee.
No, I need the guarantee.
What are you gonna do? Blame me for a snake?
Yes.
Snake?
It's exactly what I'm talking about, dude. You got to get it out of here. It's just, I've always been scared of snakes at a level that's just insane, right? I have nightmares about snakes because 47,000 rattlesnake bites in the state of California a year. I don't like those odds.
No, it's not California, but only like less than 10 people out of the 40,000 actually died.
I don't want to get bit. I don't want to die. I don't want to lose a limb. I don't want to go to the hospital. I don't want any of it.
Well, just keep an eye out and keep your distance.
Okay. Okay, I have no choice. The show must go on.
All right.
Did you...
Well, you thought that was a rattlesnake?
Swear. I swear. That's how jumpy I am about this shit. I used to come down here on the GSX-R. You know there's snakes down here. Of course there are. Think I'm gonna crash today? Hope not. Suspension's pretty good on this, man. Uh-oh, we got some pedestrians. Let's harass them. Ask them if they've seen any snakes. Well, that's reassuring. Warning, mountain lion country.
Snake.
It's exactly what I'm talking about, dude. No, Johnny.
No?
You got to get it out of here.
What do you want me to do?
I don't give a shit. My phone just vibrated and it scared me. No, 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 no. How is it like, is it like a sleep?
I think it was just like, it's like Sunday.
Yeah, the baby one. Thank you.
Dude, I was about to bomb out ahead of him. Yeah, I'm not feeling good about this trail anymore. Why wouldn't that snake move, dude? That one was like fucking snoozing. We had a late night. Hey, Johnny, do you see these little marks? Do you see them? Yeah, do you think those are snake trails? No. Dude, so far, this M20, flawless, man. I like it. I like it, man. About $1,200, man. Dual battery option. I think if you get it with just a single battery, it's $1,000. Still way worth it. Oh, this isn't fun. This isn't fun at all. Oh, that's better. I was in the wrong gear. Oh, this is easy. This is not easy. Why am I talking? Should we have brought water? Oh, man. We should have stayed on the street. Sucks. I don't like this. Oh, dude. Not fun. Is it getting worse? What are we doing? This isn't fun. This is not fun. Why do people do this? Thanks. This is horrible. Are we done? I hate you. Is that a snake? Not a snake. Oh, hell no. Why didn't I bring water? Title of this video should be Suburban Delinquent. Won't stop bitching. Mind over matter. Okay. Okay. Shut up, Johnny. Those guys. Trade me. Just trade me. Oh, yeah. Come on, Johnny. You're almost there. Never again.
No?
No.
That wasn't fun? I don't know if we should do the luge, dude.
Oh, I thought we already did it.
No, that's just like the beginning.
Hell no, we're not doing it.
You want to start heading back to...
Yeah, let's go get alcohol.
Yeah, good idea.
Is that as fast as it goes? Yeah, man, that M20 is pretty fast. Well, we explored a new way. That's the tagline. I never noticed that. I don't know, man. I am a little impressed. I'm just kidding. I'm actually a lot impressed. For a budget e-bike,
Yeah.
for about $1,200, it's done everything. Well, we rode, I don't know, what, 10 miles, and it was all pretty treacherous. I mean,
Yeah.
for me, I couldn't, it was tough. We're only down about a bar. Dual suspension, pretty comfortable. Yeah. All right, well, link in the description if you're interested in one of these. I totally recommend it, totally. You don't need to spend $3,000 on an e-bike. This thing will suit you just fine. Reach out if you have any questions about this. Good to see you back on the channel, man. It's been a bit, right?
It's been a while.
Dude, we are doing some cool things off the bikes. We're playing in a band now, and that's like, but between work and the band, it eats up so much time. All right, well, the video's not completely over. It's all you know. We like to finish with food. So, I'm gonna head over here to Center Bar and Grill, get a beer, get some food, call it.